Before we begin, you're going to need an editor, something to edit that HTML and CSS. So for this course I'm going to be using brackets.io, which is by Adobe. It's free, go and download it now. You get some great plugins as well. In fact, I've added a couple of plugins and I'll just show you those now. We've got 2 that I've installed and 2 that I would like you to install because they're very useful. The first one is HTML templates. You'll see why that's useful soon in the next couple of lectures. And the next one is W3C validation. And again, I'll show you why we'll use that in a little while. So that's brackets. Go and get it now and then get on to the next lecture.